Hello everyone, I'm Kumari. Welcome to Tamang's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you guys superb healthy easy recipe. Always Tamang's Kitchen recipe are superb healthy and easy, also tasty. Let's prepare with less ghee and sugar, kaju or cashew nut laddus. Guys, let me know in the comment box, have you made before kaju or cashew nut laddus? Guys, I have taken 1.5 cup kaju and then make it powder, grind and make the powder. Also I have made the sugar, powder sugar. If you have powder sugar, then you no need to make. If you don't have, you can make powder sugar, grind, just powder sugar will be ready. Now let's mix cashew nut powder and then powder sugar together. Before adding milk or ghee, I'm going to mix this kaju mixture and then powder sugar. Let's mix. If you want, you can add more sugar, around 2 tablespoons sugar. If you don't want, if you want less sugar, then just add 1 tablespoon sugar. Guys, I have taken 1/4 tablespoon ghee and milk. I'm going to add step by step. If you want more ghee, then you can add 1 tablespoon ghee. Now let's make not soft, not hard, perfect dough for laddus. Nowadays we are little bit scared of eating outside sweet, so let's prepare together at home. Guys, dough is ready. You can see, not hard, not soft dough, perfect for the laddus. Now let's prepare laddu. If you want big laddu, take more mixture. If you want small laddu, you can take less mixture. I have made medium size laddus, not big, not small, just perfect for the bite. If you have any question, then please comment in the below. Guys, let me know in the comment box what is your favorite sweet. Guys, 2 laddus are ready. You can see superb easy and healthy recipe. I have upload video of hazelnut laddus also. If you haven't watched, please watch that video and try recipe, superb healthy. For our health, we need everything like almond, cashew nut or hazelnut, walnut, everything. So you can prepare mixed laddu or like kaju laddu, however you prefer. It's perfect. Guys, let me know in the comment box how your laddu turn out and try more recipe on Tamang's Kitchen. If you are visiting first time on Tamang's Kitchen, make sure subscribe and press bell icon so that you can notified whenever I upload new recipe video, guys. And also comment, like, share. Last video, pineapple video, got 14 likes, so thank you so much for like, comment. See you next time with next recipe. Thank you, stay safe and bye bye. See you next time with next recipe.